Are you ready for our first interview, Marie?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
How are you?
I'm Waray-Waray si Matua.
Wow,
Wow.
good
How old are
job.
you?
4.
Four.
Four.
Mm.
What's the name of your mom and dad?
Gabriel and Jason.
Oh,
Very
very good.
good. Happy New Year, Marie.
Happy New Year.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New
Or
Year.
say Happy New
Yeah,
Year
Happy
to
New Year to
everyone.
everyone.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. How are you?
Good.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love be happy.
Oh, that's
Oh, you love to be
good.
happy. You're a positive person.
Yeah.
Positive baby. Are you a
You're
baby?
you're a happy baby or a happy kid?
Happy kid.
Oh. Oh, tell us. What do you want to tell us? Tell us anything.
I want to read with mommy and daddy.
Mm.
Mm.
Who do you love the most? Mom or dad?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Oh, but who's the best?
Mom and dad.
Mom
Wow.
and
Why
dad.
do you like mom? What do you love about mommy?
Play with me.
I play with you. What do we
Yeah.
play?
Toys.
And
And also play high stick when I was small.
oh,
Mm.
even up to now we do play hide and seek, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else do we play? Remember we play here during Christmas? What did we play?
Picture and also open the gifts. And also work up play challenge in the grocery.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, you
What is the
remember that?
best? What is the best for you?
What's the best game that you played during
I-
Christmas?
I love playing catch fish tag.
A free stag.
Yeah.
Oh. How about the challenge, the grocery challenge?
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you got?
Candies.
How?
And
And
Also
chocolates?
chocolates.
oh,
Yeah.
was it fun? Is it hard to find chocolates?
It's easy.
It's easy.
How,
Yeah.
how much we paid for that?
It's a gift
Yeah.
from Kuya Raf and Kuya Gab and from Tinang.
Yeah, it's a
It's
mixed
all
up
it's all
gift.
their gifts for you because they gave money and gift cards. So we just use it for that. So you should say thank you to Kuya Gab.
I gotta be rich.
You're
You're
gonna,
gonna
be
be
rich.
rich.
Why?
Why?
How much money you got for Christmas?
A little.
How much? How much?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5?
5 money?
No, only 5.
That's not gonna make you rich.
Hey, I'm gonna be rich like Mr. Beast.
You're gonna be
Is
what?
it?
Rich.
You talk in the microphone. No.
I gotta be rich in Mr. Beast.
How can you be rich? What should you do to be a rich person? What?
Yeah.
What does mommy teach you and daddy? How to be rich? You must first what?
You should learn how to make money.
Yeah.
Mm.
You should earn first the money, right?
Yes.
So when you get money from the Christmas, will you earn or will you spend or you will save it?
Save it.
Oh.
Then what are you going to do with your savings? You gonna buy?
No,
Why?
because I got lots of toys.
How about let's sell your toys
No,
so you'll get more money? Why?
because I don't like to sell my toys.
What if I
But there
sell
are
your
toys there that you don't use anymore.
I use it.
What if I sell your ladybug toy?
No, I love it.
Who
Re-
gave the ladybug toy?
Santa.
It's
Oh,
Santa!
Santa?
Yeah.
Mm. What did you prepare for Santa? You tell them. What did you prepare for Santa?
Cookies.
And
Milk.
what happened to the cookies when you woke up in the morning?
Santa didn't eat.
Wait,
cookie.
who baked the cookies first?
Mom and me.
Mom and you. And then what happened to the cookies when you woke up?
Kuya put tree.
Yes, and then what did Santa do to the cookies?
Didn't eat it all.
Why? Why he didn't eat it all?
Because she's full.
He's full
Yeah.
from?
From the cookies.
Oh,
really?
how
Then-
about what else did you prepare? Cookies and?
Milk.
You talk to the microphone. Cookies and?
Milk.
And how about the milk?
Santa put in the thing because
Oh,
it's
really?
not the kitchen.
He knows where the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, Santa really knows the
somebody
place.
remember milk.
Santa didn't see us.
Yeah,
because you were
Santa is
sleeping.
mysterious. He doesn't want to be seen because that is the beauty of Christmas.
I didn't see her also.
Yeah, you will never see Santa because he's sneaky.
Sneaky.
Yeah.
Sneaky Santa.
How did he come in the house?
Because it's Christmas.
Yeah, how did he enter the house if the door was closed?
Santa will just go to Papa Jesus because Papa Jesus is birthday.
Oh, yeah, it's
It's
Papa,
Papa
Jesus'
Jesus'
They
birthday.
didn't give her a cake.
Papa
Didn't
Jesus?
give him cake?
Yeah, because in the church, there's already a lot of cake
Food.
and food.
They didn't put it because you cannot bring foods allowed.
Yeah, food's not allowed in church, right?
Yeah, but you can only give it to Papa Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we made all this food, Papa Jesus is here and he will eat with us. Right?
But he's
That's
not,
why we pray to him.
he don't come here. It's not a magic.
It's
Papa
not a
Jesus is a spirit.
Yeah.
Spirit. The Papa Jesus lives in our heart and in our mind.
Yes.
If we pray to him, his spirit is here with us. So he is with us.
Yeah, and because I miss Papa Jesus
Mm.
and Mama Mary.
Oh, yeah. You're so very good.
You have a boyfriend, Mari?
Yeah, Anna.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when I bake, I can marry Anna.
Oh,
When you're what?
Big.
You will what?
Have a baby and marry Anna.
How old is big?
Me. But Anna's 3 years old. I'm 4 years old.
oh.
Yeah. Big means when you're 18 and above.
Yeah, also Anna.
But you must finish school first.
Yes.
Marie, you cannot marry when you're young.
Young.
When you're like this age, it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You will marry when you're like 21, 22, and when you have already money, when you
Money.
have work.
Work.
Because what will you feed to the baby if you don't have work?
I'm gonna feed the baby so I can take care of her.
Yeah, that's why Aina must have work, you must have work. Also, both of you must be finish school before you get married.
You work also?
I work.
Yeah, when you have a baby.
Of course. I was working already for 6 years before I had
6
Kuya. And we already have a house,
House.
everything. You have to be mentally, emotionally, financially ready. You must have all these things to be married and to have kids. You cannot just get married and have kids and you don't have a house. Where will you live if you don't have a house?
You need to stay in outside.
Yeah, you want to
Yeah.
stay
You want
outside?
to sleep outside?
You want to sleep outside
You want to sleep in the tent?
Yeah.
Only in the tent?
forever?
Yes. I cannot have kids, only a baby.
It's the same thing.
Baby, when they grow, they become kids.
Yeah. But I don't have a girl baby.
When you're big,
What do you want to
you
become,
must get
Mari?
rich first.
Until
Remember what I told you? When you're rich, you will buy me what?
a phone. I can give you a watch.
What?
And Daddy also I got give her more hats.
More hats.
More hats. I got give her more than hats.
But why you like Aina?
Because I love her.
Him. I love him.
I love him because I got the scratch.
You have a
The
crush
crush.
on Aina?
Yeah, and also Kuya, he's got the scratch and Ate Stella.
Oh my gosh. How did you know this?
Because Kuya's love Ate Stella.
Wow, he told us, right? But
He-
it's a secret.
Yes.
You already told everyone Kuya's crush.
And you cannot talk to everyone when you lay back when you make Aina. That's a bad word.
If you what?
You make Aina, that's a bad word.
Mm. Did you meet Aina's mom?
What?
Did you meet already? Do you know Aina's mom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Mm.
And he's 9.
And his nanay. Yeah.
Nine.
His,
Who's nine?
his nanny.
Yeah, I just went there when I was big years old.
Yeah. But Aina, I think, is busy. No?
No, he's too sick.
He's sick. Yeah,
He
correct.
got sick. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your gift for Aina?
I give her a dinosaur toy.
Give him
You
dinosaur
gave him
toy?
the dinosaur toy.
And also me. Aina gave me something.
What?
He's gave me a toy kitchen.
A toy kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then I want to play with it.
You're playing with it.
Yes.
Okay. Tell us more. What else do you want to tell us?
When you become big, what do you want to be?
Mm.
I want to be a doctor.
Why?
Because I love being a doctor.
What does a doctor do?
Doctor does to get the baby out.
Ah.
Yeah. You call that gynecologist.
Yeah, I was-
Obstetrician.
I want to
Be a
get-
doctor.
Yeah.
You
and-
want to bring babies out? Or
Yeah.
you want to cure sick babies? Which one?
I want to get babies out.
Oh.
Very specific,
Very good. Why?
Because I love being a doctor and get babies out.
From where?
From the doctor
Where's the baby come from?
in the tummy.
You talk here. Where does baby come from?
In the tummy.
Then who makes the baby?
The doctor.
Oh, you want to be a doctor.
Yeah.
But I told you, be a doctor, you have to study
Yeah.
a lot of years. So
I
4
want-
years.
I want to read books.
Yeah, you have to read books. You have to learn. Okay?
What else?
What else?
I want also to color the picture. Not color out, only in.
Color out. What's color out?
Marie, what's your favorite thing to do?
I want to cook and also clean and clean up by myself.
Ah, you want to be a kabulig. you know what's kabulig?
No.
No.
But you don't even
You
fold
don't-
your
You don't know how to
to fix your bed?
fix your bed?
I can.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, you should help Tita Vic. Or when you clean up your toys, you should also fix it, organize it, not just playing and then leaving it for Tita Vic to clean.
What is your, Marie, what is your sports?
I love playing swimming, but only basketball.
You
Swimming?
love swimming?
I love basketball, but the ball's broken.
The ball is broken.
Why? Why
But you are swimming, right? You're
Yeah.
training swimming. What's the name of the teacher, of coach?
Jay Coach.
Coach?
Coach Ray.
What? You say it in the microphone.
Coach Ray.
Coach Dre?
Yeah.
So, what does Coach Dre teach us in swimming?
Kiki and also
And
do a floaty.
oh, what's your favorite?
Which one?
What's your favorite swimming?
I love kiki and also floaty.
And you also know how to dive, right?
Yeah, I can also do like this when I
You
go up.
sink. Yeah.
And also jump in when I under down.
Yeah.
Can-
Under down the water.
Yeah.
Then you
Is
kick
Coach
from the-
Dre a girl or a boy?
A boy, Kuya helped me to go down in the water.
Mm.
He's a good boy.
Who's the good boy?
Kuya.
Ah, but
Kuya?
Kuya doesn't know how to swim.
Kuya, he's not swimming, he's doing football, right?
I do swimming and
Yeah.
football.
But what do you want to learn? What else do you want to learn?
I want to learn to is
To what?
basketball and swimming.
Basketball
How
and
about
swimming?
why you want to learn? I will let Auntie Tintin to teach you basketball. She's an MVP. She's very good. Auntie Tintin and Kuya JK, they're very good in swimming.
I also
Swimming in basketball.
basketball.
Yeah.
It's doing Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, I know. When they come here, they'll teach you, okay?
And also swimming. They know with the float and kick
Yeah, they know.
in the big pool.
In the big pool. Yeah. Mm. And what else? What do you look forward to 2024, Marie?
I want to wish to 49.
Huh?
49.
What's 49?
It means we'll get higher and higher.
What?
What do you mean
What
by
do you
that?
mean? What do you want to achieve in 2024? Makuring question. What do you want to achieve in 2024, Marie? Oh, no. What did you learn in 2023? Okay. You tell them what happened. Di ba we went to Kuya school?
Yeah.
You tell them what happened?
Our car broke, then we got a new car.
Oh, and then?
We just drive it. And there's a TV also like have Putui car.
It's like Budoy car.
Yeah,
No,
well-
you tell them about the school of Kuya, where you
Yes.
went.
I went to Korea school and our car broken. We just take a taxi and go to our house again. Then went to school again.
And then what did you do in school?
Just color and also play blocks. How blocks like Melvia.
Oh. And then, what did teacher said?
Who's the teacher? What's
Who's the
name of
teacher? You remember?
Yeah.
Teacher
Teacher
Jessa.
Jessa with Kuya.
It's same as
Yeah,
Kuya's
it's-
teacher.
it's Kuya's teacher
What did
before.
she said?
He said to color and spell my name.
You spell your name?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the spelling of your name?
M-A-R-I-E
Hmm? Very.
L and O U
Hmm?
and also next is O
R.
R O and also Y.
Luray. R-E-Y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also C dot and M A N. Also
What else?
T
Yeah.
and U
Hmm?
Yeah.
and also A.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Yay.
Yay.
Are you ready for school?
Yes.
What do you want to learn in school?
Color, play in the playground with Kuya. But I'm not late to go to school.
Ina goes to school already.
Yeah.
You cannot play with Kuya because Kuya is in...
You cannot play with Kuya because the
Kuya is in
reason why
another
you're in
school.
school is to what? To
To-
play or to learn?
Learn.
Yeah.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn to study.
Wow.
Study and draw.
And read.
Yeah, read also with books.
Yes, because if you want to be a doctor, you must read a lot of books.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Like Kuya is reading a book.
Yes. To
Yeah.
read the flower book when Kuya waits.
Yes. Okay, Marie. Do you miss Philippines?
Yeah.
Who do you miss in the Philippines?
Cousins.
Who are your cousins?
Ate Oli.
Mm-hmm.
Say it in the microphone.
Ate.
Ate Oli.
Who else? Kuya.
Kuya.
Kuya what? J.
K.
And Kuya
Kuya Miggy.
VP. Who's your favorite?
Ate Oli.
Why?
Because I love her. I
Oh.
miss you. I miss her for.
Oh, you miss her?
Yes.
Where do you want to celebrate Christmas? In here or in Philippines?
Both of them.
Why?
Because I love both of them.
What did
What
you
is the best what is the best Christmas memory in
I
Philippines?
I just take a picture when I was small.
Mm-hmm. And
Then I Nana just gave me a present.
yeah,
yeah,
nanay.
you
Yeah.
remember
Yes.
now.
And then she gave money, right?
What did Nana give you?
Money.
Yeah, money.
Yeah.
And what else? What else did we do in Christmas in the Philippines?
I just have present. Then also I got something. I got the Roblox gun. Roblox? Minecraft gun.
Yeah, the gun, the Roblox gun.
Roblox.
No,
gun.
Minecraft.
A Minecraft, correct.
Hey.
The Minecraft gun from your cousins.
Yeah, just
That was in 2021.
You remember.
What else do you got?
What else did we do there?
I just
Remember we went out. What did we do outside?
I just jump in the bouncy trampoline. And then I just love trampoline because it's my favorite.
Mm.
I just jump, 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 jump. I think I cannot jump higher like a bird.
What else did we do there?
What else did we do? Remember we went outside.
You give candies?
You give candies to people.
Do you remember that?
Yeah. I know that this was give candies, but people didn't have candies.
It was you who's giving candies, right?
Yes.
Mm.
I just see the picture.
Yeah.
The
Was
pic-
Milvia there?
um no. He was doing your tummy.
Ah, correct. Good job, ate.
She was in mommy's
She was
tummy.
still in my tummy, right?
Yeah, then I will have a baby, but my friend didn't have a baby.
Who?
My friend didn't have a baby.
Who's your friend? Who's your friend?
It's his number 2 house, but my friend, I tell her to have a China doll.
China doll.
Yeah, with the hair.
The hair like
Like
this?
you?
Yeah,
You're a China doll.
You're a China doll?
yeah. Then you then got the China doll like me. I look like this doll
Yeah.
because I'm
Marie, who's beautiful? Me, Tinang, or Auntie Tintin?
I love both of them.
All of us? Mm. Who's your favorite? Mamila or Daddy Lou?
Both of them also.
Oh. But what do you remember? What's the funniest thing about Daddy Lou?
Make me laugh.
Oh, he make you laugh?
Yeah. I just play with Daddy Locos. He's my favorite.
Oh. You're not fighting?
His face is only like that.
He's what?
His face.
His
Why?
face is only like that.
Yeah, it's only like that. Jelly.
Jolly.
Jelly face.
Jolly face.
How about Mamila?
He doesn't have a jelly face.
She doesn't have a jelly face?
Yeah.
What does she have?
Only like this, like mommy. Like this.
Mm.
So you used to play with the jolly face?
Yeah.
Daddy Lou is funny or scary?
Funny and scary also. He's
Why?
make me laugh.
Why he's scary?
Because he's making funny. When he's make me laugh, and when I small, he's make me laugh and make me funny.
Who's funny, Daddy Lo or Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy's funny?
Yeah, make me jump and make me funny and laugh and make me scared.
How about Kuya?
He's make me laugh, funny, and make me watch with Cocomelon when I small.
Mm. How about Milvia?
Maybe Kuya make maybe I laugh and also make his watch and Cocomelon.
Mm. And what else?
How old are you, Marie?
I'm 4 years old again.
4 years old?
Yeah.
You look
She's
like
big.
you look like 10.
No,
Are you 10?
no, not yet.
What food do you like?
Yeah.
What food do you like?
Kangkong, rice, and fish.
Oh, kangkong rice.
Kangkong rice and fish?
Yeah, and also soup.
Of
Sinigang.
course. Yeah, it's your favorite. Soup is your favorite.
Maybe I come here.
What's your favorite snack?
Snack. I love
What?
I love
Love.
the jelly. Jelly. But I don't like jellyfish.
What place do you love?
I love
You talk here.
the
The? Ay, ano, we're done na? You don't want to talk na?
I love to go to Philippines.
Why?
Because I love Philippines.
Are you not scared of airplane?
I'm not scared. I'm not scared an airplane.
You like to ride the airplane.
Yes, just do like this.
What is the best thing to do in the airplane?
Fly. Fly to like a bird. Then my head do like this.
Sleeping.
No, sleepy. Like this when I open
What
my eyes.
what do they teach in the airplane? You should what? When you sit down.
Yeah, buckle the seatbelt.
Correct.
So you might fall down in the water and the sharks.
You might crash in the water, those sharks.
No,
Yeah.
it will not happen. But they want you to buckle your seatbelt because in case of turbulence, if you don't buckle your seatbelt, you will fly to the ceiling and you come back, you'll have yaya in the head, blood all over your face, get broken head.
And also my knees have bones.
Yeah.
And also my hand bones.
Yes. It's get broken if you don't put on the seatbelt, right?
Yeah. And maybe I love with the seatbelt
Milvia sit with mommy and we put seatbelt on
together.
together.
Yes.
It's the same thing with
So
you.
where
when
do you want to
were
go
small.
next?
I want to go to the movies.
Movies?
Yeah, next is the movies first.
Where?
The movies
What
first.
movie? What do you want to watch?
I love Ladybug.
Ladybug? But you're watching in the TV.
You're watching it in Netflix, right?
I love also Elsa and Ladybug.
What is your favorite gift during Christmas?
Joy Christmas.
Yeah, what's the favorite gift that you got?
I got Ladybug, then also the Barbie.
Why are you so beautiful?
Because I love being beautiful.
I love being
Wait,
beautiful.
do you like to put makeup on? Why?
Because I love doing makeup.
What is the best makeup that you put?
Lipstick, eyebrow, cheeks, and for my eyes, this
What's that?
eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Yeah.
Eyebrows?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What about,
Why?
What about for your lips? That's
Lipstick?
No, lipstick.
Lipstick?
Yeah. Lipstick. Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
Lipstick.
Lip.
Lipstick.
Stick.
Lipstick.
No, lipsticks.
Why are you so kulit?
Who's the naughtiest? Oh,
Who's the naughtiest? You, Kuya, or Milvia?
Navia's always crying, because it's noisy.
And Kuya?
Kuya's make me laugh.
Mm.
Also me, I make Navia laugh
Mm-hmm.
and make her funny things. I make her another lay duck.
but who's the most naughtiest?
Who's naughty? You, Kuya, or Milvia? Hmm? Who? Oh, where did we go yesterday pala?
Where?
Where did we go yesterday?
And the candy when Kuya likes.
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Where I go to haircut and watch in mommy's phone. And the haircut.
Who did the haircut? It's the first time you had a haircut in a parlor, right?
The people?
The people? It's
Yeah.
China doll, right?
Yeah.
They're like China doll?
Is make me short. But like Wednesday.
Yeah, like
Who are you?
wow. Show them how to do Wednesday. Wow. Marie, is mommy beautiful?
Yeah.
You talk here.
Yes.
What's the best thing about mom? What's the best thing that mommy do for you?
Making cookies and make me sleep and tuck me bed and read me books.
Wow. How about dad? What's the best thing that daddy do for you?
Play with me when I was small, and that play with me and also make me tuck me to bed and Kuya also.
What is your favorite thing to do with dad in the morning?
And tomorrow make me also
Where do you go? You go?
walkie with dad.
Yes.
Why you love walking?
Why you like to wake up early and walk?
Because walking and drink one good walkie, you can also play and practice early.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's early, right?
Yes, it's okay. You can to play and walkie. And also dad feed the fish with me when I'm small. Then dad buy me fish, my favorite, but two them dead.
Two of them.
Yeah, only one fish eat two fish dead.
Yeah.
And then have blood.
Blood.
No,
Only one left for
it
you.
sink, but it float.
It sink and then it float.
Hey, Milvia, stop it! I don't podcast! Ah! I don't podcast! Hey,
Wait,
Milvia!
Milvia, kay Atis in the podcast. Come here.
You kulit. Kulit, Milvia.
Always crying, crying.
It's noisy. I said you're naughty because I tell mom. Why Milvia is a liar again? Only is a liar.
Melby's crying.
She's lying down. You're done na? You're done?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na. You're done na? That's it?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Say thank you for
Thank
watching. Oh, what will you tell them? Tell them something.
I,
Something nice. What's your wish for 2024?
I, I'm gonna say Happy New Year.
Yeah, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Happy New
Year.
Year. That's our guest.
That's our guest for 2024.
2024.
Our little Marie. Come here. Say thank you. Hope you enjoy my podcast.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Come here.
Come here. Say
Say
bye-bye
bye-bye
here.
here.
Say bye in the video.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for watching. How about you? You want also, Milvia? You want also to do podcast? Come on. Come on.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. How about you, Milvia? Say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop.